Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on VASE mode in Bambu Studio. So let's get straight into it. Now, first what we are going to do is look at the left side settings panel in Bambu Studio and make sure that this advanced toggle switch is turned on. Select on model and then you will see here other tab. Look for the special mode. So here, scroll down a little bit, special mode. Check the box next to spiral VASE. So spiral VASE right here and check on this one. Okay. Alright, like that. A pop-up message will ask you if you want to automatically adjust your infill and walls. You will click yes. The software will automatically change your infill to 0 and your top layer to 0 so the model prints hollow. Then what we need to do for the end, just click slice plate at the top right corner right here to save your changes, and you will be here in this preview mode. And this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.